Welcome to this tutorial on editing the About Us page in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to quickly navigate through your WordPress dashboard and update the content of your About Us page in just a few minutes. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and visiting the WordPress website. Once you are on the site, locate the login option, which can be found at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on the login option will take you to a secure sign-in interface. After initiating the login process, you will be presented with several sign-in methods. For simplicity and convenience, select the option to continue with your Google account. When you click this option, a list of your Google accounts will appear, and you should select the account you wish to use for managing your WordPress site. This step makes the login process faster by allowing you to use credentials from an account you already use frequently. Once you are successfully signed in, your next task is to access the administrative area of your website. In your WordPress dashboard, find the section labeled Pages. This area is dedicated to managing all the pages on your website. When you click on Pages, you will be able to see a list of all the available pages, including the one dedicated to your About Us content. Look through the list of pages until you find the one titled About Us. This is the page you want to modify to reflect the latest updates, new information, or any changes that better represent your organization. Click on your About Us page to open it. This action will bring you to a screen showing the content of the page along with various editing options. Once you have your About Us page open, locate the Edit option. Clicking on Edit will switch the page from its display mode to the editing interface, giving you access to modify the text, images, or any other page elements as needed. At this point, feel free to make all the necessary adjustments that will improve the clarity and quality of the information on your About Us page. Whether you are updating your company history, mission statement, or team introductions, this editor provides a versatile and user-friendly platform to input and format your content. After you have made all the desired changes to your page, it is important to save your work. Locate the Save button within the editing interface and click it to preserve all the modifications. Saving ensures that your updates are applied to the live version of your website and that any future visitors will see the most current version of your About Us page. Following these steps allows you to efficiently update your website's About Us page. The process is designed to be simple and straightforward so that even if you are not a technical expert, you can still effectively communicate your organization's story and values to your audience. Enjoy the benefits of having a current and engaging About Us page that accurately reflects the identity of your organization, and feel free to return to the same process whenever further changes become necessary.